Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to get or remove subtitles. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get or remove subtitles, you just simply have to open Netflix, and then after opening Netflix, this homepage will appear. Now just simply choose the content that you want to watch and play the content, and then this option of subtitles and audio will appear. Just simply tap into that option, and then you can easily choose any of the subtitles available into the specific content, and you can also disable the subtitles by choosing this off option. Just simply choose any of the subtitles or off the subtitles, and then click to apply in order to apply the effects into the Netflix content. By following these very easy steps, you can easily get or remove subtitles into Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.